Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to another exciting episode on Genius Junkie, your ultimate channel for mastering design with Canva. Today, we're going to elevate your presentation game. Whether it's for a business meeting, a school project, or any event, a well-designed presentation can make all the difference. So, let's dive in and learn how to design stunning presentations with Canva. First, head over to canva.com and log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, it's quick and easy to sign up. Once you're in, simply click on Presentation icon and click on the Create Presentation. Canva offers a variety of presentation templates to choose from. For this tutorial, I'll pick a modern and clean template. Click on the one that suits your style. Let's get started. First, update the title slide. Click on the text box to edit the title and subtitle. Make sure your title is clear and grabs attention. Use a subtitle to give a brief overview. Customizing slides. Next, let's customize the content slides. Click on any text box to edit the text. Add your key points, and remember to keep it concise. Bullet points and short sentences work best for presentations. Changing colors and images. Now, let's personalize the design. Change the colors to match your brand or theme. Click on any element and use the color palette to pick your colors. You can also upload your brand colors if you have them. Let's add some visuals to make it engaging. Go to the Elements tab to find icons, illustrations, and photos. You can also upload your own images. Drag and drop them into your slides to enhance your content. Adding transitions and animations. Want to add some flair? Canva allows you to add transitions and animations to your slides. Click on the Animate button and choose your preferred transition. This will make your presentation look professional and polished. Reviewing and finishing touches. Make sure everything is aligned and looks balanced. Use grids and guidelines to keep your design neat. Double-check your slides for any typos or errors. Finally, it's time to download or present your slides. Click on the Share button, then Download. Choose your preferred file type, PDF or PowerPoint, and hit Download. Alternatively, you can present directly from Canva by clicking the Present button. And there you have it. Your stunning presentation is ready to wow your audience. Canva makes it so easy to create beautiful and professional presentations. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.